The goal of our report is to really help fleets understand what the tires can do for them in terms of fuel efficiency. Tires are a surprisingly complicated topic. Tires actually contribute quite a bit to fuel efficiency for a truck. Most studies would say it's about 1/3 of fuel efficiency comes from rolling resistance of the tire. One of my team members on this conference report said, the tire is usually just a messenger. And so it can tell you a lot about how your truck is operating and how you're operating a vehicle based on and how well it's maintained and all those things.
At Frito-Lay, we've spent a lot of time on tires in the last couple of years. When SmartWay came out with the initial low rolling resistance recommendations and California incorporated those into their standard, we really needed to understand what tires we should be in, what was the benefit, what was going to be the cost to us.
Tires that I like to use on my truck are low rolling resistance tires in all the free rolling positions. That really helps to improve the fuel economy. And over on the drive axle, I don't use the same low rolling technology that the majority of people are using today. I have a little bit higher rolling resistance on that tire to reduce running slip that's associated with the 6x2 setups. This helps to improve tire life. And we're finding that the higher rolling resistance tire in the drive position works better for us on our 6x2 applications.
Michelin's been a phenomenal partner on specs, both from the back of the trailer all the way to the front of the truck. The steer tire, the miles per gallon, the cost per 32nd. I believe from a quartile perspective, we're really running a very favorable return, especially as we compare quarter over quarter. We're also tracking emergency response services for breakdowns, and they've been a great partner both on the new tires, on the new specifications, as well as the recaps.
We actually did a Lean Six Sigma project internally with several industry partners and spent a better part of 18 months evaluating every applicable tire and configuration to us. The lowest total cost of ownership for us was the best low rolling resistance tire that we could buy. In our application and with our retread program, it was a perfect fit for us, and we've seen great fuel economy benefit from it, as well as improved handling and performance for the drivers.